Hey guys, today I'm going to give you a very quick tour of Desmos. So, a lot of you have used Desmos to graph lines before, but if you want to graph quadratics or parabolas, you're going to need to know a couple of hotkeys or shortcuts. So, if I wanted to graph the parabola x squared, what I did there was I hit X and then I hit Shift 6. It's the caret symbol that will bump you up into exponent mode. And then you need to hit your right arrow key to bump you back down. So x squared minus 3x minus 10. That would be how we would graph a parabola. So you can see we have a nice parabola over here. You zoom in a little bit. If you ever get lost or you get really zoomed in or really zoomed far out and you're not sure where 0 is again, you can hit this home button and it'll pop you right back to your normal axis. I zoom out a little bit to see this whole thing. What's really helpful about Desmos is that you can actually use it to check your work. So if I got this answer after using the area model method to multiply, which if you're watching these in order, you'll see next, you also can check and see if you got the right answer. So my original problem would have been this: x minus 5 and x plus 2. And if you notice, it looks like I only have one graph. You can hide graphs by clicking the color next to them. You can change the color as well. But if you look at that, the graph is the same. You can also check your graphs like this. So if you were to multiply x minus 5 times the quantity of x plus 2, you would receive the answer of x squared minus 3x minus 10, and you can see that they are the same answer. Some other features on Desmos: there's some things over here where you can actually click the gear over here, which usually is your settings, but in this case is editing. You can use this to copy or duplicate a graph, or you can use this to see a table. So now, look, I can see all of these different points. I believe I can even put a point down here. Let's see. There we go. I plug in 6. It tells me what the answer is. So Desmos is a pretty cool tool, especially if you have to graph things or you really just want to check your answers. There's all sorts of fun stuff you can do. You can show the points, hide the points. Honestly, just have fun with it. Mess around a little bit with it. You can make it full screen. If you want to go back, just click done. Hide, show. And somewhere you can change the colors. Yeah, right here. You can pick a different color if you want. So if you want orange instead for your dots, you can pick open points. There's all sorts of fun stuff. So hopefully this has been helpful. Let me know if you want any other help with Desmos, but it's a really handy tool that you can use. As you can probably see, it is Desmos, DESMOS.com /calculator. Thanks, guys, for watching.